welcome to your workout today. We are doing a tone your midsection in 14 days. So what we should do is have a go at doing this every single day for 14 days, and you're going to see amazing results afterwards. Now, we know that exercise is amazing, but it's not all just about the working out. It's about the community, it's about the motivation, and that's exactly why we have our incredible app. Guys, check this out, and all of the incredible results that are coming from our app, not just physically, but also mentally as well. We have over 500 workouts in the app, full workout programs, so many, 300 plus healthy recipes, and a whole mindset section as well to help you with those positive thoughts and getting and feeling amazing and just getting that 1% better every single day. All right, guys, are you ready to crush today's workout? Because we are ready. Let's do this. Okay, let's kick this workout off, right, Penny? Well, thank you so much. You've actually got, now you're actually attached inside of here. All right, first exercise that we're going to do is, if you do have bands, you're going to add these in too. If not, just take out the bands. We're going to take it into banded bicycle crunches. So pull that core in nice and tight and then extend that leg long. You want to keep that resistance on the band the whole time. So maybe just bring your feet about half a foot apart, and that's going to keep that resistance on nice and tight. So lifting up through your chest, pull that core in nice and tight and extending those legs long. All right, we are going to get a serious burn today. All you've got to do to get results is not quit, is just keep on showing up every single day. Give me one more and release. And we've just got 30 seconds of exercise. Then we're going to take it straight into the next move. All right, so our next one, we're going to bring those arms all the way up the top of our head, and you're going to bring those legs out. We're going to take it a hollow body oblique crunch. What we're going to do is twisting that top body from side to side. Now, I have modifications for everybody. So if you're like, Rebecca, today I'm not feeling 100%, or you're just getting started out into your workout journey, then make sure that you just follow along with those modifications and you keep coming back and trying the harder version. So all you're doing is extending those arms over the top of your head and then swaying from side to side. That's it. Pull that core in nice and tight, lifting up through your chest. Breathe through it. And here we go for 5. Breathe. 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Okay, you're going to take it into a full sit-up this time. So arms over the top of your head. Take it all the way up to the top. Just adjust yourself. You're going to take those abductions out, and then you're going to come all the way down into that full sit-up. So here we go in 3, 2, 1. Bring those arms all the way up over the top of our head. Now pull that core nice and tight. Lift those legs up, out, and in. Now slow and controlled. You guys are doing so great. All we got to keep doing is moving our body. It's when we start to go still that we start to kind of stiffen up a little bit. We lose that motivation. And of course, we're going to be talking about a new mindset theme with every single one of our workouts. And today we are talking about self-care. Oh yes, lifting up through your chest, pull and release. Okay, we're going to take it into a knee to chest crunch, and then we're going to repeat all of those exercises again. So the first time is just a little practice. So you're going to bring those knees out, and then you're going to crunch it up. So bring those elbows out to the side, lifting up through the chest, and here we go. Just 30 seconds right here. Now breathe in through your nose and exhale everything out. You guys are doing so great. I know. The core is on fire right now. You should be feeling the burn. It is pretty intense. All right, here we go. We're going to keep on working out together. Every single time that you feel like quitting, you just get to have a little pep talk with yourself to say, can I do 5 more reps? Can I get 5 more in? How can I push myself just a little bit extra? Give me one more and release. Okay, reach over and grab that band, pop it in between your feet. If you don't have the bands, well, you can access one of my bands, and in fact, we have new ones coming very soon. You might even be able to see a sneak peek of what they look like. All right, here we go in this video. Woo! All right, here we go. Extend those legs nice and long. So belly button is pulled in nice and tight. Elbows are out to the side. Now really push in to that heel as you extend that leg nice and long. All right, here we go. Breathe through it. Inhale through your nose. Exhale everything out. Come on, push through to that heel. Try and get those legs to dip down just an inch or 2 more without the back coming off the ground. You are doing so good. You are here. You are making it happen, and you are taking care of yourself today. All right, relax. Take off that band over to one side. Just relax the head down. We're going to take it into those hollow bodies with the oblique crunches, right? So arms over the top of your head. You're going to extend those legs nice and long, and we're just going to twist from that upper body from side to side. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So right now, you are giving love to your body. It's so important to look after yourself. As Jim Rohn says, look after your body. It's the only place that you have to live. And we got to get that balance of self-care, and then also with that work ethic, and also going for it. Sometimes that we use the thing of self-care to not to go for our goals, to not to push forward. So we want to work on that balance today. And that's exactly what we are going to talk about through this workout, is getting that balance and finding that rhythm of self-care. Relax all the way down. All right, nice work, everybody. We're going to take it into that full sit-up with your leg abduction. So extend those legs nice out in front. We're going to lift all the way up. Pull there nice and tight, and then extend those legs out and in. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. All the way down to the ground. Arms are up over the top of the head. Pull that core in nice and tight. Lift up and take those legs out and in. That's it. Now vertebrae by vertebrae. All the way down to the ground. Shoot those arms over the top of the head and pull nice and tight up. Bring those legs in and out. Okay, exhale all the way down. Come on, squeeze that core nice and tight. And now bring those arms all the way up over the top of the head. Take those legs in and out. Now gently come all the way down. Belly button is pulled in towards the core. Now give me one more. Come on, lift up. Don't cheat. And gently release all the way down. All right, we're going to take it into our knee to chest crunches. So bring those arms out to the side right here. And we're going to just lifting up through the chest and then crunching out. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. So what you want to do is you want to schedule in your downtime. You want to make sure that if you are going fast, if you're building momentum in something, or if you are kind of running around like a headless chicken, doing a whole bunch of different things, that's okay. There's seasons for that. But what we got to do is add into your daily plan when you can have some time for yourself, whether that means vision time, thinking time, getting your nails done, having a hot bath, going for a walk, reading a book. It's important to schedule that in. Give me one more and gently release. All right, we're going to take it into a fun little static side plank. So you're going to put that hand directly down underneath your shoulder. And we're going to pull that core in nice and tight. We're just going to bring that arm right here. Now, I want to make sure that your hips are on top of each other. Belly button is pulled in nice and tight. Now, lean forward just slightly. Squeeze those glutes, lifting up through that chest. Come on, hold it here. Nice and strong. Remember, we are talking about self-care today. So caring for your body right now, but also pushing it a little bit. That means caring. You are pushing to see what you are capable of. Let's hold here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and gently release all the way down. We're going to take it straight over to that other side. And one of the big things with self-care as well when we're doing workouts is what we are eating around the workouts, all right? And that's why inside of the app, you're going to get so many recipes that are going to help you with your results and making sure that your body is working more efficiently. Let's take it over to the other side. Pull that belly button in nice and tight. Now lifting up through the chest. Pull that core in nice and tight and just take a moment to breathe and say, I've got this. I'm strong. Looking after your body, right? It makes a difference when you schedule in time, but we don't need to spend all day with self-care, right? Self-care can also mean getting up early and getting your workout in and working hard and playing full out. That is self-care too, because you are putting yourself first, your goals, your aspirations, your dreams. Let's release that all the way down. Come over onto your booty, and we're going to take it into supported V, leg in and out. So you're bringing your hands directly underneath your shoulders right here. Extend those legs out, flex those feet, and then bring them all the way back in. Just drop those shoulders, extend. I want to get some nice straight legs there. Now bring in towards that chest. Here we go. Extend, slight little dip in those elbows as well. All right, breathe through it. So what I want you to do is schedule in that self-care. When have you got a super busy day, a super busy week where you need to schedule in an hour, maybe a day, maybe it's 3 days, maybe it's 3 weeks. You need to take that off. But what I don't want you to do is say if something is important to you and you just don't feel like doing it, but it's going to make a difference, is saying, you know what? I'm just going to say, I'm just listening to my body, right? Because I see so many people missing opportunities because they don't just push through when they need to. That's what self-care is. It's learning when you need to push through and when you need to show up. We're going to flip all the way over onto our front into an extended high plank. So put those hands right on the edges of your mat and your feet on the edges of your mat, and then hold that core in nice and tight. Now pull that belly button in, take a nice big inhale, and exhale everything out. Now, I'm 5'2.5", so some of you guys probably most of you are a bit taller than me, so you're probably going to have your arms more extended outside the sides of your mat and your feet as well. But what you want to do is you want to make sure that you are getting that gap, that big gap between your hands and your feet. Hold and gently release down. Now we're going to put that left hand down to the ground. We're going to take it onto a side plank right here. So pull that belly button in, take it over to the side. Hips are on top of each other and pull. So the way that I think about self-care is I look at my whole schedule and I go, where do I need to have that break? Where do I need to say, hey, this is my time where I'm going to put that in the diary to have a massage or go and get my nails done or maybe just watch a movie, right? What I'm not going to do is if something is important to me and it's going to make a difference to my life, my goals, my aspirations, I don't go, hey, I'm just not going to do it because I need to look after myself. If I've committed to something, I'm going to show up. I always talk about showing up, and I really do think that that is part of self-care, right? Release all the way down. Let's take it over to the other side. All right, put that hand down and then all the way up. Because sometimes that we use it as an excuse not to do something. And I want to take that excuse away from you because you know what? I want you to get results. Not just in your physical body, but mentally too, in your career and your relationship. Where do you get to show up? That is loving yourself because you're putting yourself first. Now, if you're feeling like absolute death and you're not feeling great and you're bedbound, don't be getting up and doing a workout, right? We're going to listen to our bodies. We have to listen to. But what I don't want you to do is use it as a reason not to actually get to your hopes and goals and aspirations. So instead of getting to that point where you feel like you don't want to show up, you got to schedule it in the diary, making sure that you're having a massage, you are having some fun girl time, you're watching a movie, you're just switching off. All right, take it over to the other side. So I'm going to give you some homework at the end of this. All right, bring those hands behind. We're going to bring those heels up, extend nice and long, pull that core in, and then bring those knees in towards the chest. That's it. Extend long, hold, and squeeze. All right, we have just got 30 seconds right here. We got one more of those extended plank holds all the way up through to the end, and then bring those knees in towards the chest. You guys are doing so good. Here we go. Come on, extend those legs nice and long. You've got 15 seconds right here. What are you made of? What are you going to keep on pushing forward with? What are you going to say to yourself? I got this. I can. I'm going to put myself first right now. Bring those knees in towards your chest for 3, 2, 1, and release. Bring those hands at the top of the mat. Extend those legs all the way out to the back. You guys are doing such a great job. You can hold this for 30 seconds. I believe in you. You got this. You don't need to quit. Even if it's challenging, even if you're like, oh my goodness, my arms are trembling, my belly's trembling. Amazing. We're all going to be trembling together, right? I can feel it. The burn is real. All right, push down into those hands, lifting up through the chest. You got 20 seconds right now. What are you made of? Let's keep on pushing forward together. We can. Looking at that mat as if it's giving you a reflection saying, you got this, girl. Woo! All right, here we go. Come on for the final 10 seconds right here in this pose. Breathe in and exhale. Give yourself a smile and hold for 3, 2, 1, and gently release all the way down. Boom! You crushed it! Whew, that first part was a serious ab burn. And remember, the full version of this workout is going to be up on the app, and we dive in a little bit deeper about self-care and just looking after ourselves on a daily basis. And if you want an amazing community that's going to get you fired up and get you feeling amazing every day, then make sure that you join the app because it comes with an incredible group of badass women, ladies, and girls that are here to help you take your results to the next level, not just physically, but also mentally as well, helping you get unstuck and stay motivated. I love you guys so much. Congrats on today's workout, and don't forget, I'll see you on our next one.